traders and investors alike were green today, and please remember, discipline is the key to your success in trading. We have a lot to talk about. We had PMI come in today, it come in hot. So we also have the Fed minutes for tomorrow at 2 p.m. So basically the minutes is where kind of just like it's just like a court case where they record everything that's being said, and those minutes get released, and traders and hedge funds and investors, everybody will be dissecting this report. They're going to be looking for comments that might have been made. Just an example, pure example here. Somebody could have said something like, if PEC does not get into the agreeable direction that we need it to, or by this certain level, by this certain time, then we're going to need to raise rates. Raise rates faster, go back to a 0.50, a 0.75, and the market doesn't really want that to happen, obviously. So hearing all this chatter coming in today, the Cleveland Fed, the researchers analyzed the FOMC most recent economic projections. Their model projects the FOMC unemployment rate path brings core PCE inflation to 2.75 by 2025. They're also saying a deep recession would be needed to achieve the 2.1 inflation projection by the Feds. So we were hearing all that, right after PMI, all this chatter going on. The European market, they were coming out, they were stating basically the same thing about the 0.50. Then we have Thursday, we have GDP. Friday, we have PCE. So with all this coming up, we still got plenty of action this week. So the market tried to push it open, and at 9:45, when PMI come in hot, the market pulled back. And then we started hearing, so we were get into this downtrend, start trying to flag on the 5, and then we hear all this chatter coming out about the 0.50. So that increased our decision making to stay short to the downside. And you can see, we respected the 9 on the 5 down here until we got the support. We got a bounce on support. Not a whole lot of strength into it, and that's another thing. We knew breadth was very weak. We knew we were in a trend down day, so we knew there was no trades to the upside to remain short. Everything that was going on with breadth as strong as it was to the downside, we knew to remain short. We did get a small breadth thrust down here, was able to pick up a few calls back up in here at the very end, almost to the end of the day, make a little money to the upside. Obviously, we had a resistance level, so we were able to get back out. So we also had some plays like Walmart. So Walmart reported earnings this morning, and they were really strong off their earnings. They pulled back. You can see the move down here, but at market open, they ripped higher, ripped right through these resistance levels, put in about $1 range up here, about 10.45. So the trade was over about 10.45, but it definitely provided some nice opportunities. We had names like Meta at open raged higher. But now this gives some really good trades to the upside. So you can see, gives some opportunities to the upside, but gives you a really nice signal, even better opportunity to the downside. Really nice signal there. And this is giving you another clue, this gap down kind of confirming. Very nice move to the downside. So that provided opportunity up, opportunities to the downside. So then we had some other names that we were looking at, some pure technical plays like Square. Basically just a 1, 2, 3 reversal on Square. If you go to the daily, you can see right here, you got a higher low. So it would be 1, 2, 3, break the neckline, which is this candle right here. And like I said in this morning's video, we had gap down below it. So that provided some trades there. We had names like MU, same setup. That provided some good trades. So if you draw your trend line through here, you can see you got a trend line. This candle gap down below the 200 as well. So nice move there. Did look like at market open here, you can see by that candle, pushed at market open and then provided some really nice downsides. There were names like AMC that tried to push today. We started seeing a flow come in on it. So that's what put it on our radar. We've seen a lot of heavier, unusual call flow coming in on AMC, so that that helped point out some opportunities for us to make some money on the long side here. Just another amazing day, and we have More to come this week with the Fed minutes, with the GDP and the PCE on Friday. We also have jobless claims on Thursday, and Bostic speaking with the GDP as well. New home sales, consumer spending with PCE on Friday. So definitely more opportunities to come this week. I hope everybody had a great day, and I will see you in the trading room.